what lies here in the murky depths.
Watching 50BlizzardsTV, man. Chilling up in the backyard right now, you know, having that backyard boogie going down over here, you know what I'm saying? Stay tuned for more of that.
Did I hit you? I don't fucking offend you like that, bro.
Oh! What's up, you gutter? Yo, what up? It's 50 Blizzards. You're watching 50BlizzardsTV, man. What's up? So right now, man, I just got to my man's in his crib. You know, he's a producer for Outlier Productions. So you know how we get down, man. So what's up, man? Let's go meet him, man. You know what I mean? Most of you probably already seen this cat or know him and shit. You know what I mean? It might be a little dark right now, too, and shit. But you know how we get down, B. Yo, what's up, man? Yo, say something to the camera, man.
Yo, what up, man?
Yo, man. So that's Didi and Diego. Yo, the Pego. You know what I mean? Lego my ego. This cat right here, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, what up, man? We up in his crib and shit, chilling on the side of some house, you know? Just maxing out. But yeah, man, stay tuned for the next clip, man. You know, you never know where I'm gonna be at now. What up, man? So I'm still here, man. Apparently, we was just supposed to in and out, you know? But now my man's in them wants to snap it up. You know what I mean? But what are you gonna do, man? But yeah, man. So, you know, stay tuned. 50BlizzardsTV, you know, in your area. You know what I mean? You never know what's gonna happen in this motherfucker. Stay tuned for UGL TV as well. Check that channel out, you know, it's cracking. All on 50BlizzardsTV, Outlier Group, all that.
You need to shut up and count all your rights, baby. Bing, ding, 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 bong, bong, bong. Oh. Hey, round one. Fight, 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 fight. Bing, ding, ding, dong, bong, bing, bong. You know how I get down.
Congo chicken and beef combo bowl. Well, buy one, get one for 50%. How much is it for both beef? For water? Nah, for the cup. Nah, that's the water. You guys sell flan?
127, baby.
Hey, what is it? In Guatemala today, man.
It's a vicious cycle is what I know, so this mission of mine turned out to be